In this video, I will show you how to adjust screen brightness in Windows 11. There are several ways to change the brightness. So, the first method. Click on the search bar on the taskbar and type brightness. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more useful videos. Let's continue. In the search results, you should see the option Change Brightness Level. Click on it. A settings window will open where you will see the brightness control slider. To adjust it, simply click on the circle icon and drag it left or right to increase or decrease the brightness. The next method of adjusting brightness. Move your mouse cursor over the three icons on the taskbar in the bottom right corner and click. A panel will open where you can also control the brightness. If the brightness control in this panel is inactive and locked, then most likely you are using a monitor, and brightness can only be adjusted using the physical buttons on the monitor. The third brightness method is for those who use a laptop. You need to find the brightness control keys on your laptop keyboard. Usually, these are keys with sun icons. Also, locate the FN key. Press and hold this key, and then also press one of the brightness control keys. Thank you for watching.